Urban planning is a field that requires a deep understanding of the past in order to shape the future. The use of the past perfect tense allows planners to reflect on prior city layouts and learn valuable lessons that can inform their decision-making process. By examining specific examples of past city designs, we can gain a better understanding of how the past perfect tense is used in urban planning. One example of the past perfect tense in urban planning is the development of the city of Rome. The ancient Romans had a sophisticated understanding of urban design, with wide boulevards, public squares, and intricate water systems. By studying the layout of ancient Rome, modern urban planners can learn about the importance of strategic design and the integration of public spaces into the urban fabric. Another example of the past perfect tense in urban planning is the development of the city of Paris. The urban planner Georges Eugène Haussmann is credited with transforming Paris into the modern city we know today. By using the past perfect tense to analyze Haussmann's work, planners can gain insight into the importance of cohesive planning strategies and the impact of urban renewal on city residents. In conclusion, the past perfect tense plays a critical role in urban planning by allowing planners to reflect on prior city layouts and learn valuable lessons from the past. By examining specific examples of past city designs, planners can gain a better understanding of the principles that shape successful urban environments. By applying the lessons of the past to present-day planning challenges, urban planners can create vibrant, resilient cities that meet the needs of their residents for generations to come.